What's up, suppliers? Good afternoon. So today I'm going to discuss the reorder point or ROP and the economic order quantity or EOQ. So first, let's discuss the learning outcomes. So compute the appropriate reorder point considering demand during lead time and safety stock. Second is analyze inventory management problems and select suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. Third is interpret the results of EOQ and ROP calculations to make informed decisions about ordering schedules and stock levels. Now let's discuss the reorder point. So what is reorder point? So the reorder point or ROP is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operations and preventing stock outs. So the formula of ROP is usage times lead time plus safety stock. So the usage is how many stocks will use. Lead time, how long it will arrive or delivered. Safety stock is extra inventory kept to cover unexpected demand or delays. So, example, if the company's expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, that estimated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or the reorder point? 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. So ROP 100 times 6 is equals to 600. So 100 times 4 is equals to 400. To get the 4, you have to minus 6 to 10 days. So 600 plus 400 is equals to 1,000 bottles of wine. So the place order is June 13. Lead time 6 to 10 days. So the order will arrive in June 19. So in June 19, 6 days minimum order lead time. So the safety stock dates is June 19 to June 23, which is the 4 days. So therefore, the company should make the order when level of inventory is at 1,000 bottles of wine. So next, we're going to discuss the economic order quantity. So under the EOQ or the economic order quantity, you can also compute number of orders per year, total ordering cost per year, average inventory, total carrying cost per year, and total cost. So what is economic order quantity? So the economic order quantity or the EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order, one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stocks. So the formula of EOQ is square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So O is cost of placing an order or ordering cost. N is number of units required annually. C is annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. So next is the given example of EOQ. Number of olive oil per bottle required annually is 16,000 bottles. Cost of placing an order is 350 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year of inventory is 5 pesos. So now, let's determine the quantity. So A is EOQ. EOQ is equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So square root of 2 times 350 pesos times 16,000 bottles divided by 5 is equals to square root of 2,240,000. To get the answer, is square root of 2,240,000. So the answer is 1,497 bottles. So B, number of orders per year, formula is N divided by EOQ. So 16,000 bottles divided by 1,497 bottles is equals to 11 orders. So C, total ordering cost per year. So the formula is NO times OC. So 11 orders times 350 pesos. So answer is 3,850 pesos. D, average inventory. The formula is AOQ divided by 2. So 1,497 bottles divided by 2. So the answer is 749 bottles. So E, total carrying cost per year. The formula is average inventory times total carrying cost. 749 bottles times 5 pesos is equals to 3,745 pesos. So F is total cost. The formula is TOC plus TCC. So 3,850 pesos plus 3,745 pesos is equals to 7,595 pesos. So to understand the scenario, EOQ is equals to 1,497 bottles. So the number of orders is equals to 60,000 bottles. Since the number of orders is 11, we need to make the orders 11 times in a year. So total ordering cost per year or TOC is 3,850 pesos. Average inventory or AI is 749 bottles. Total carrying cost per year or TCC is 3,745 pesos. So total cost or TC is equals to 7,595 pesos.
Well, that's all. Thank you.